If you're looking to find discounted products that you can flip on Amazon for a profit, then you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing my top 5 sources for the most profitable products. 3 of them are stores you've probably never heard of, and the last 2, well, they're not even stores at all. So you're going to want to stick around, especially for number 5, because honestly, it's a complete game changer that most sellers are not even using. Alright, so let's get into it. The first store that I'm going to be sharing here today is GameStop.com. Now, GameStop might be a store you've heard of, it may not be, but the reason that I love GameStop and the reason it's such a wonderful website to go to find these discounted products that you can flip on Amazon for a product is simply down to the sheer volume of opportunity they have on the website. So on their website, if you go into the deals section, you can see here along the top menu we have deals. If you click into that, scroll down and then head to the clearance section, this is where you will find nearly 800 products available at a significant discount. You can see there, all clearance, 799 results. And just look at some of the discounts that we have here. We have some smaller discounts of like, what, a little over half price, all the way up to totally slashing the prices in half. Like this headset right here, this is a great one. I've seen this one before. I'll just show you an example of this over on Amazon. So we'll just pull up an Amazon browser here, and then we'll grab the UPC number for this code, and you'll be able to see that it actually sells for considerably more than what you can currently pick it up for on this website. So $89.97. If we go ahead and do a search for that, you'll see that it is currently selling for $161.19. That gives us a huge scope for potential profit here. If we were to go ahead and buy these from GameStop, we'd be able to make somewhere in the region of about $40 for every single one of them that we sold after Amazon's fees have been taken into account. So you can see that just by combing through the clearance section of GameStop, you'd be able to find countless different profitable opportunities in a variety of different categories. So mainly what you'll find here on GameStop are things like video games, related merchandise. There'll be toys, clothing, electronics, all that kind of stuff you'll find at GameStop. So if that's your bag, if that's the type of product that you like to sell, it's my personal favorite. That's why I kind of started with GameStop, because it's where I got my start on Amazon, selling electronics, video games, that kind of stuff. And this is just, you know, a place where I am comfortable. So if you are looking to sell that kind of stuff, then GameStop's a great place to start. And again, the main reason I love it, besides the fact that there is a huge amount of volume, is because they share the UPC number. So anyone who's not familiar with the UPC number, it is the barcode that is on product packaging, and it's what's used to power Amazon's catalog. So if you use the UPC number, it will match it up to the exact listing on Amazon store, and you'll be able to pick the listing with ease and do your research very, very quickly. The next website you may or may not have heard of is Sierra.com. So Sierra have a huge amount of discounted products in a very different category altogether. So they kind of cover more outdoors, hiking, sports and outdoors type products. You can see here clearance on top of clearance, so up to 75% less. You can shop in different departments, and they have like some incredible deals available. You can see again, mostly outdoor sporting goods, things like that. So we have some hiking backpacks, we have cycling helmets, shoes, water bottles. We have all sorts of different products. And again, look at the discounts. Save 58%, save 60%, save 67%, save 56%. We have severely discounted products, all of which we could spend some time looking at. Now, the other reason that I love Sierra is because they sell a lot of products that have variations. So if you're new to Amazon, you might not know what a variation is, but essentially a variation is when you have a product that comes in different colors or different sizes or something like that. So with a pair of shoes, for instance, or a coat or a jacket, you might have it available in men's and women's, you might have it in a few different colors, and you might have it in different sizes, small, medium, large, XL, so on and so forth. And each one of those different combinations is what's known as a variation. Now, the reason they are good is because a lot of sellers kind of ignore these products. Because let's face it, there's a little bit more work involved in actually figuring out which variation, which size, color, and gender combination is going to be the one that sells the most units. It could be that women's size small in green is the best-selling jacket or whatever, but you wouldn't know that unless you broke down the data. And of course, we have access to tools, things like Buybot Pro and Keeper and things like that, that will help us to identify these different variations. But this store is typically overlooked for that reason, because people land on here, new sellers, and they'll see that, oh my gosh, there's 50 different variations that I've got to look through. but if you have tools that speed up the process, they can make it easier for you to identify what those products are. So for that reason, Sierra comes up as my number 2 of the 5 stores that I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. One of my favorites, and I think you'll agree once you get sourcing on there that they have an absolute huge amount of opportunity that comes through their sales section. So next we have a website called Vittocost.com. Again, one you may or may not be familiar with, but either way it is in a different category altogether. So here we have like supplements, health and beauty products, that kind of stuff. So I'll just head into, let's see what they have here. So they have cyber deals. We can go into, let's take a look at Last Chance. So these are some of the most heavily discounted products on the website, and you can see some, again, significant discounts. So we have discounts already being applied, plus you can use a coupon to get an additional 20% off with this one. Adding that coupon on is going to reduce the product price down further, which is going to increase our potential to profit from these products. So besides the fact that Vittocost have a huge amount of different products available for sale in their discount section, they also have coupons all the time. So if you were to go to Google, in fact, let's go to Google together and we'll do a search for this. So we head to Google and then we type in Vittocost.com coupons. What we should find is a list of different websites giving various different coupons that we can use for reducing further the cost of Vittocost products so that we can get a significant discount. So you can see here 20% off, another 20% off. All these different sites have different coupons. Sorry, all these different deals have different coupons. So there's 15% off here, 15% off any kettle brand, 15% off your Vittocost order, 20% off beauty products. So there's usually a huge amount of different coupon codes that we can use to further reduce the product price, thus increasing our margins. Next, a website called Woot.com. Some of you might have heard of this. It's featured in one of our videos before, but Woot is definitely one of my favorites, and it's actually owned by Amazon themselves. Amazon bought it out because they used to do like these daily deals, and Amazon have bought it and they use it as a means of being able to clear out some of their product that either they have too much stock of or they just want to run an offer on. But it's not always. A lot of people assume that, oh, this is kind of Amazon's outlet, therefore it's products that nobody's buying. Quite the opposite is true. So if we head into like electronics, which is one of my favorite categories to head in, to go into, then we shop all subcategories, we'll be able to go in and see like products like this here. So 62% off. Like, I haven't checked this one ahead of time, so we'll be kind of flying blind on this and see how it works out, but I'm just going to grab the ASIN, which you do on Woot by clicking through into the reviews, because it pulls in the reviews from Amazon directly. If we just do a search for that ASIN, it will match up to the product. And it's selling right now on Amazon for $89. So there's already a $40 price gap between what we can buy it for and what we can sell it for. This is BuyBot Pro, by the way, if you haven't seen this before. It's a profit calculation tool that enables us to pull back the curtain on a product and see how well it's selling. But I'm just intrigued to see how this works out. Completely off the fly. That's literally the first product that I found. Again, no research ahead of time. Literally just pulled this up as I hit record on this video for you right here, right now. So BuyBot Pro is just hooking into Amazon's system now. It's finding out how much the product weighs, finding out how big the product is, and then estimating Amazon's fees so that it can tell us how much profit we would stand to make if we were to resell it on Amazon. Okay, so BuyBot Pro has finished its calculations. We'd be able to make $20.45 for a 40% ROI on this one product. And literally, you saw what I did. I went to Woot, I clicked through into the electronics category, and one of the first products that I saw had a significant discount. And like I said, it's not a product that's not making sales. Like this thing here, it made 255 sales in July alone. So if we were to buy a few units of that, we can actually only buy one of these. But on Woot, they have different limits that apply to different products. Sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 5, 10, sometimes even 20. So Woot.com, for reasons beyond the fact that there are just huge amounts of product, there are loads and loads of different categories, but being that it's an Amazon outlet, they have big top brands. This one here I definitely go take a look at. Anything that has a brand name I would certainly be looking for. It looks like they got lots of video games in the sale today, so these would definitely be ones to check out. If you're watching this video soon after we've published it, then you could be in luck. Some of these might still be available. But yeah, anyway, Woot.com, again, my 4th favorite store for finding these profitable products from. Alright, so I promised 5, but I'm going to give you 2 bonus ones here because I threw an extra one in. I told you the last 2 were not strictly stores, but they were great places to go to find profitable product. So the next one that I'm going to show you is called Slick Deals, slickdeals.net. So if you're not familiar with Slick Deals, it is essentially a portal for savvy shoppers where if you find a heavily discounted product, you would share it as a consumer with your fellow savvy shoppers. So that's what it's for, but we as resellers use it as a means of being able to find the low-hanging fruit. Products that have been shared that have a significant discount on them, that the community has essentially voted, yes, this is a great deal. So if we look here, we can see some products coming in from Woot. There's $120 down to $65. We have Home Depot. There's a power drill here, $269 to $159. And if we scroll through, we will see countless products in different categories from a range of different stores across the internet. Morningsave.com, there's eBay here, we've got Costco Wholesale, Kohl's. There are products from a variety of different categories from a variety of different websites. So again, one of the most incredible places to go if you're looking for a regular flow of potentially profitable products that you can purchase at a major discount and then flip for a profit on Amazon. Now on to the last one. This is the extra bonus site that I promised at the beginning. So Keeper. And as an Amazon seller, you might have heard of Keeper.com before. Now, chances are you're not using it as a means of being able to actually find profitable products. You're probably using it as a source of data to be able to pull back the curtain on a product and see how well it's performing. But we use it as a means of being able to find profitable deals. Now this is using a strategy that's known as Amazon Flips. And again, we have videos on our channel here where we go into Amazon Flips in more detail. But essentially what we're doing is we head into the deals section here, and I'm just going to check my check my settings. Yes, we're looking in the right marketplace. So we go to deals, and what deals does is it tracks Amazon's products for major price drops. And then what we do is we find something that has a significant price drop over a given period of time, and then we literally go and see how that price has performed historically. If the product has seen a drastic reduction in price in a single day or in a very short space of time, and it was previously trending at a higher price, then this is like, it's the equivalent of day trading, right? We enter the trade, essentially buying the product when the price is low. We send it straight back into Amazon, price it at what it was selling for previously, and then when Amazon's price comes back up, which is usually pretty soon after their discount, then we get to sell it for the regular price. So it's a very, very simple and straightforward method, but it's hugely overlooked by people in this Amazon selling space. So you'll see here that the average price that this usually sells for is $25.60. But right now we can grab it for just $7.98. So we buy it at $7.98, we sell it for the typically trending average price of $25.60, and we'd probably stand to double our money on this after we take Amazon's fees into account. Same with these different products here, $43.59, average down to $20. So you can see how very, very quickly with a tool like Keeper we can go in and see how the prices have tracked previously, pick up a discount, list it at the full price, and when Amazon's price goes back up, we are there ready to catch the sales at the top price and profit from the difference. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and otherwise subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you again next time.